Hi guys, a very good morning. Welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. And this morning we need to take a look on important matters. I want to say this, Team Zimbabwe. Vanhu vari kutitungamirira tichida kutaura chokwadi. Vanhu ivavo maidi zvechokwadi. I'm going to explain this. Vanhu vari kutitungamirira, they enjoy our suffering. They enjoy to see our country in a quagmire. They enjoy to see the people of Zimbabwe struggling each and every day. They fight Nelson Chamisa. They destroy the opposition. They do whatever they want to make sure that they crush opposing voices. Not for the benefit of Zimbabwe, but for self-enrichment, for self-preservation, for self-aggrandizement, for self-benefit, because of selfishness. Let me take you through to this very important issue, which a lot of Zimbabweans are ignoring, and they are saying hazvina basa. The issue of Starlink. I have seen several arguments online which are suggesting that Starlink is being used kuti pazoitwa spying in Zimbabwe. They are saying Starlink is not good for the people of Zimbabwe. This is high-speed internet connection to Zimbabwe, which can boost my businesses in Zimbabwe, which can boost vanhu vese vari kuita digital production right now. Everybody, especially the people who want to make my applications, the people who want to be able to develop my softwares, the business sector, those people will be boosted, will be connected. My students, they will benefit from Starlink. But guess what is happening? What is happening right now is that these people themselves, they're using Starlink. And they're telling the people of Zimbabwe that you can't use Starlink because it will enable the Americans to spy on us. Okay. These are the people who are using X. X is owned by Elon Musk, the same person who is owning Starlink. That is point number one. Point number two, these people are on Facebook or are on Meta products. This involves Facebook, where your number can be directly linked to your WhatsApp number. Your Facebook account can be directly linked to your WhatsApp number. Which means these people on Facebook, they are on other Meta products like Instagram, WhatsApp, and they are enjoying. They don't even care about spying whatsoever. Okay. Then we go to Google products. These people, they are on YouTube. These people, they have emails, Gmails, which they're even using for official business. Go to the government departments. Hakuna ma email ari kushanda effectively. .zw. Vari kushandisa Gmail. Vari kushandisa Yahoo. Vari kushandisa all these email addresses owned by the Americans, controlled by the Americans, secured by the Americans. And the Americans can simply take a look kuti okay, email address yani ndiye kwakati wototarisa kuti okay, varumboti chiko vana mukoma. For those who are using ZW email addresses, they are supported nechimwe chinhu chiri so funny. There is this Outlook email server. Ndo iri kusupporta ZW accounts ese email addresses, which means there is no privacy whatsoever. One way or the other, Outlook can have access to those emails if they want. And they will tell you all sorts of reasons kuti Starlink inozoita kuti zvizodai, Starlink inozoenable spying in Zimbabwe, Starlink inozokonzeresa chakati. Guys, if these people want to spy on you, they have satellites which can actually track what is happening in Zimbabwe without even making an application to Zimbabwe, and there is nothing you can do to stop them. Yes, if these people want to spy on you, They have drones which can spy on Zimbabwe from international space. Yes, they can do it. They have madrone anogona kuenda up high to a point where hamuna kana chamunokwanisa kumaita madrone iwayo, and they can spy on you. They have high technology. High technology. Zvoti kusangokuatakai haisi nyaya yekuti vanokutyai, inyaya yekuti hapana need. And you'll be told, yeah, also sovereignty, you'll be told about spying, you'll be told about data mining. Which data mining when they have access to each and every account yako yenyu sema ministers? You are busy registering my X accounts using your numbers, your phone numbers. And they can simply see, okay, this is the same person arushanisa phone number kwakati nekwakati, so this is probably ningi. They can even trace vanhu vamuri kutaura navo, hapashayikwe panetwork yevanhu vari kutaura navo, hapashayikwe vanhu vanokuziva kana kuti vanokuidentify, even if you are a ghost. Pauri kuregister that ghost account iyoyoyo, you are using some phone numbers or some email addresses, they will track you and trace you. And kazhinji unotoregister that email address yochereka vabogus zvakaita sei, you register it pane imwe device yauchada kushandisa futi for other things, which means they can easily track you. Guys, one thing for sure, ndechekuti Neville Mtsvangwa has been advertising my Starlink kits. Why? It's because they know kuti hapana chinochinja, but they want to use that opportunity to make money. Ari kutenga ne$500 kuZambia, oya okutengesera 1,100 kuno kuZimbabwe. Hana duty raabhadhara, hana chaabhadhara kuhurumende. Hurumende haina chayabenefita. Who is benefiting? It's him. It's him. You go to ZBC. This is the image team Zimbabwe. ZBC iri. Starlink kit iripo pamusoro apo. Why? It's because vanoda zvinhu zviri fast, vanoda zvinhu zvinonakidza, zvinomhanya. And they're probably using Starlink kudzimba dzavo vese. But they don't want you to use it. It's because they don't want your success. They don't want to see you succeeding. Right now, do you know kuti AI is paying? Tisingatombotaure about coming to YouTube. Tisingambotaure about going to Facebook. AI is paying. There is a lot you can use AI for. Zvinokuitisa mari as an individual, as a citizen. Zvinokuitisa begi, zvinokuitisa mari inonzi mari. Yekuti you can be a millionaire simply by using AI technology. Hauna chepolitics chauri kuita, hauna anything else chauri kuita, hauna fraud, just working uchishandisa AI. Iri kusimplify zvinhu. But guess what? They don't want you to have access to these things. It's because they hate you. It's because they want to see you poor. They know for sure that the more innocent people becomes rich, the more the society starts to see things in a different perspective. Sa vanda kuti murambe mchiombera maoko, say wikinewo tioneiwo, say wikinewo tioneiwo. Guys, timu riri kutitungamirira ka handizive. But we have to make sure that as Zimbabweans we start to see these things. We need to start to see these things. We need to confront these things as a people. We cannot continue just like this.